The December U.S. dollar index is at 97.10. That is down 400 points. We've gotten as low as 95.05. And so, boy, I tell you what, this dollar now down here around 90 or so, pretty interesting stuff. Does that help our exports? Let's ask an expert. Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures. Oliver, how much of this is contributing to maybe a little higher prices over here in the soybeans and the corn today?
Well, the U.S. dollar has certainly kind of been in the spotlight here for the last several months as it continues to drift lower and make multi-year lows, and I think you're seeing that really kind of help support the export business. We obviously didn't see that in this morning's export sales report, but I think over the last 2 months you could make the case that it certainly has. The demand has been strong, but we need to see that continue for this market to really keep this rally going forward. We need to feed the bull, so to speak. If we start to see exports fizzle out a little bit, you could start to see some long liquidation from the funds who've established a rather long net long position over the last 2 months. And I think that's what we've really seen here this week. On Monday, it was the end of the month, so you had some position squaring, some profit taking. That spilled into Tuesday and Wednesday morning. So right now, this is just a little relief rally from that sell-off. We're kind of in the middle of no man's land here. The bulls have enjoyed a nice 2-month rally, almost uninterrupted, especially for the soybean market. I think we're going to start to see wider intraday ranges and intra-week ranges where there's going to be opportunities for players on both sides of the markets to capitalize.
Quick question then. What do we feed that bull with?
Well, demand is going to be the big one. China has been absent in the daily flash sales for the better part of the last 3 weeks. We need to see them step back in to keep this market moving north. If they remain absent here in the near future, there is a potential that we see those funds continue to trim their positions. There's a trend line support from those August lows that comes in near 1120, so that's going to be the area we're keeping a very close eye on. At that point, I think the fundamental backdrop for beans is still strong, so I'd like to be a buyer on a bigger pullback.
Okay, good key point. Okay, we'll take a break and come back in just a moment and kind of wrap things up over here with livestock next here on the Market Report.